Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the first lesson of our Conversational Urdu course. Today we are going to learn some basic greetings in Urdu. These are phrases you will use every day in conversations. The first phrase is Assalamualaikum. It means peace be upon you. And it's the most common greeting in Urdu. You can use this to say hello to anyone. Say it with me. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. The reply to Assalamu alaikum is Wa Alaikum Assalam, which means and peace be upon you. This is how you respond when someone greets you. Let's try it together. Wa Alaikum Assalam. Wa Alaikum Assalam. Wa Alaikum Assalam. Next we have Shukriya, which means thank you. It's polite way to show gratitude in Urdu, and you will be using it a lot. Repeat after me. Shukriya. Shukriya. So, today we learn 3 important phrases. Assalamu alaikum means hello. Wa alaikum assalam means hello for reply. Shukriya means thank you. Make sure to practice these with a friend or family member to get comfortable. In our next lesson, we will learn how to introduce ourselves in Urdu. Until then, Khuda Hafiz. Goodbye. See you.